Hello everyone, welcome to our video how to develop an ASP.NET MVC Core application with Entity Framework Core using Visual Studio Code. So what we will see in this video, the first we will get a demo workflow which will give you a visualization about the demo steps that helps you better understanding of the demo. Then we will see the demo. But first, let me give you a quick introduction about myself. My name is Mohammed Radwan. I'm a developer technologies MVP and principal DevOps consultant. I have been doing software development for more than 15 years now, worked on several projects for different enterprise customers across different regions and countries. I heavily participated in the community, developed several frameworks, presented many sessions, holding various certificates for Azure and DevOps. I started back in 2002 as a classic ASP developer, relocated multiple times in multiple countries, worked with several technologies and for different roles and positions. And for the last 8 years, I moved to consultancy-based role where I focused more on helping different companies, some of them from the Fortune 500, to improve their software development and delivery using DevOps and automation. I have developed and authored several frameworks, command line tools, and guides. You can find them on GitHub and Azure DevOps Marketplace. I like to share my experience. This is why I have a YouTube channel and blog where they have hundreds of videos and posts that share different topics from my real experience. I have presented many sessions in several user group conferences, events, and customer site as well in different countries. So I got the chance and the opportunity to work in different culture, project size, and company size as well, which helped me to have different experience. Here are some links for my activities. So first we will have our machine which has all the prerequisite for developing ASP.NET Core. If you don't know how to prepare the machine, there is another video that will show you how to prepare your machine. So I have all this component installed on my machine. Then the next step is to get a sample code from a GitHub, a sample application which is a to-do list. So I will first clone this application to my local VM. After that, I will start building the application, restoring the package, developing new feature, and then run that on my local machine so I can create records and see the CRUD or create, retrieve, update, delete so we can work with the application. So let's go for the demo. This is the Git repo where it has the sample application, the to-do list. So to show you the application, it's just a sample application for to-do list. So let's navigate to where I will clone the repo. It usually go to the user under my name. So let's open Git bash. Then I will here clone the Git repo by using git clone command. So as we can see, this download the .NET Core folder. If we navigate, we can see all the application downloaded. And then I will navigate to this folder by type cd.NET Core. So now I am inside the folder. And then I will start restore the package by .NET Restore. This will restore all the package for this application. You can watch this video for more information about Git with animation. You will see different animated commands like branch, merge, rebase, cherry pick, and many others. So as we can see, it restored the JSON file with all packages. And then I will run .NET Entity Framework data update, which will migrate the database locally and will create the database because there is no database yet. So as we can see, this is the local database created. And of course, I use the same command to migrate if there is any change. Then I will run the application using .NET Run. So this will run the application using the built-in web server on the machine with the local host. Then I can take this local host, copy, and then open that on the browser to navigate to the application. This is just because this is not an HTTPS protocol, so this is just warning. So I will proceed because this is just a local. So as we can see, this is the local to-do list, which will run locally. So let's create few records or few to-do list item. Test one and put a date. Let's create another item. Put a date for that item. Another one. With a date as well. So let's go for the model in the to-do, and I will add a new property, which is a Boolean done. And then here I will add the entity framework to add this property for the database. This will then run .NET EF database update, because this will update the database, migrate the database with the update. Then go for the controller, and then open the to-do here controller, and then the create here to add the done as a part of the create. So let's delete that. So now we have the create including done in the model. And then navigate to the views, and in the to-do create, let's add the views to display the create. So here I put that part, and also in the index to display that in the list, I will put here display name for done, and also here. So let's save all and go for the git bash, then .NET run, so we can run that local. We test that first locally. So as we can see now, let's create a new item, test one, and here is the date. And here is the new feature. As we can see, I have done column or done checkbox. Create a new item. I will leave it without done, and so on. At the end, I would like to thank you for watching the video. Please, if you have any question or comment, don't hesitate to reach out. You can find more information on my blog, which will appear at the end of the video, along with some other related video. Thank you.